Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Active Fluid Mechanics paper. Question number 25 is the statement of Reynolds transport theorem is given below with three blanks. The rate of change of dash extensive property can be calculated by summing the rate of change of amount of same property in the dash and the rate at which the property is dash the surface of the control volume. Which one of the following options correctly fills the blanks by using its comma separated spaces in sequence? Option A, system control volume exiting. Option B, control volume system exiting. Option C, system control volume entering. And option D, control volume entering. So answer is option A. The rate of change of system extensive property can be calculated by summing the rate of change of the amount of the same property in the control volume and the rate at which the property is exiting the surface of the control volume. So this is the statement of the Reynolds transport theorem. So if we try to understand this, for this is your system, and in this system mass remains conserved. So mass is an extensive property and suppose mass remains conserved. So rate of change of mass is 0. Okay. So now within the system if we consider control volume, suppose ME dot be the rate of change of mass leaving the control volume at the control surface. Then the if some mass is leaving the control surface or control volume, then its mass will decrease. Okay, so by the same amount at which the mass is leaving the system, so rate of decrease of mass of control volume is minus me dot, and rate of leaving the control volume is me dot, such that their summation is 0. So that is your Reynolds transport theorem. However, logically, option C also fills the same thing or gives the same thing, but the statement is about everything. So answer is option